Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys and how you can use Google Drive. First of all, what is Google Drive? Google Drive is a application made by Google which can help you to store many kinds of files, folders, photos, videos in the cloud to help you have them access to it forever, even if you lost your device in the process. Google Drive is a very viable option for storage because it gives you tons of storage even in a free account. Not only that, you are also able to buy premium plans, standard plans of storage to help you keep all of the data in your Google Drive safe and secure. To use Google Drive is really simple and easy. On the home screen, you'll be able to see all of those items or all of those files that you have saved in your Google Drive. Now, to upload your files, all you have to do is go to the new option. From here, if you click on any of these options, depending upon your file, you'll be able to upload it without any cost as well. And let's say you want to delete some unnecessary things that are in your Google Drive as well. You can do so by simply selecting on the file and clicking on the delete button right here. After that, again, you have to go into the trash, and now you need to select all of these in order to delete them again. And this is just a simple way on how you can use the Google Drive. You can use it to store, you can use it to do anything that you like. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.